and I made it.
Beautiful. See, the answer is quite impressive for me. If anyone could answer or can answer better than her, I will select. What is your weakness?
So my weakness is that sometimes I focus too much on the detail of my works and my projects, so that affects my health. So but soon I am working on that, and one day I will work.
How do you fit yourself for better grooming, for better health? What do you do?
And thanks for the to this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm basically from. I'm Salu. I'm basically from Bihar, Chhapra, Bihar. But I recently staying in Lucknow.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yes, please have a seat. Welcome to mock interview of air hostess. Best of luck, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
This is your GD round. Be comfortable. Don't feel unconfident. I have some of the topics to speak. I will be giving you different topics. You will have to share your short opinion because you have very short time. Within 20 to 30 seconds, you have to complete your opinion. You don't have to have your gratitude. You don't have to greet even. Directly, you have to start. All right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Ready, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here, who is Arpita here?
Thank you, sir.
All right, topic for you, knowledge versus beauty.
According to me, both are valuable.
Okay.
Both are very important. Though both are plays very important role. If I talk about knowledge is more important than beauty, because if you have knowledge that much capability, you can do anything. If you want to start up anything, any business, then there is much important to have a good knowledge. And if you talk about beauty is also important. Beauty also plays important role, because if your beauty is good, then you can impress in a very first way.
Okay.
So that's all.
All right, who's Shivani Awasthi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can take this microphone and you have to share unforgettable moment of your life.
So my unforgettable moment is I was 11 years old. Then I
Okay.
was joined classical dance. I'm also a classical dancer,
Okay.
and I'm going my practical for dance.
Okay.
So I don't know. In room there is Pandit Birju Maharaj
Okay.
sitting there. So I'm shocked, and this is my unforgettable moment.
That's beautiful. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right, who's Dia? Okay, Dia, you can take this microphone.
Thank you, sir.
You have to share some of the points on social media.
So social media is very good for us, and it's increase our knowledge, and we also use for our time pass. And sir, it's very useful in various way. You can search on AI. They answer instantly in seconds, and it's very useful. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, who's Sawarnima here? Yes. Okay, yeah, you can take it.
Yes.
You have to share unforgettable moment of your life.
Sir, my unforgettable moment when I was performed front of our honorable President of Draupadi Murmu
Okay.
in 2022, and that day was a convocation of my college. So that's my unforgettable moment.
That's
Thank
it?
you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Neha Yadav, you can pass that microphone. Okay. Neha, what do you think about knowledge versus beauty? Which one is more important for you?
Sir, both are very important,
Okay.
but I would suggest a beauty. Beauty is what? That enhances, that makes you some people think that beauty is appearance, our appearance, but it is also talk about our inner beauty, how we are, our action, our attitude, our way of talking. And sometimes what happen, we have knowledge, but we are not able to excel our knowledge, and we are unable to our behavior, because of our behavior we got rejected. That's all.
Okay, who is Anamika Pal here? Yes. Okay, you can take that microphone. You also have to share unforgettable moment of your life.
Okay. So in my life, the most unforgettable moment is when I was in class 9th.
Okay.
I got an opportunity to dance at the state level in front of our Honorable Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath.
Okay.
And due to any issues, our dance teacher was absent, and I was the leader of that team, and I guide everyone that how we have to perform on a state level in front of our Chief Minister. And I was appreciated for that, and that is the unforgettable moment for me till now. Thank you.
All right, who's Surbi here? Yes. Okay. What do you think about social media?
As per my opinion, social media is a best platform for knowledge.
Okay.
We are using it in our daily lives. It can help us connect with our family, with our people who are nearby us. Social media also have a bad impact, like people are misusing. They are spreading rumors and bullying others. So it's up to you that what the way you are using it. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Who is Pinky here? Yeah, pass that microphone. Pinky, you have to share your unforgettable moment of your life.
Okay. Sir, the most unforgettable moment in my life, that was my dad's 25th anniversary.
Okay.
That is that test was a very memorable day in my life, because we celebrated a lot that day, and I felt very happy to see my parents together. That's it.
Okay, that's it?
Thank you.
Okay. Who is Achal here? You are there. Okay. Achal, you have to share some of the points on social media.
Sure, according to me, social media play a very important role in our life, and it helps to develop digital India. And according to me, it depends on person, because everything has a two aspect, positive and negative. It depends on person how to use it, and we should learn how to use social media, because like knife is a hand of hooligans, so it takes someone's life. But same knife, if in hands of doctor, it can save life. So we should learn about how to use social media.
That's it. What do you think? Do you agree with her points?
I think she's right, because sometimes that person's the misuse of social media, it can be harmful for us, because we can addicted sometimes. So I think she's right.
She is right.
Yeah.
Okay. Miss Khushi, yes, sir. You have to give only 1 point on knowledge versus beauty. Which one is good according to you?
Okay, sir. According to my perspective, sir, you said that which one is a good. So I believe that knowledge, it is a more important, because if you have a knowledge, you can show your beauty. But if you have only beauty, you cannot show your knowledge. So my perspective, knowledge is a more important in our life.
Okay, that's it. Achal, what do you think? Oh, sorry, Anamika, sorry, yeah. Do you agree with her?
Yes, sir, I am totally agree with her, because I think that if person have a knowledge, then he or she is able to do something, because knowledge is very important. And if a person does not have any knowledge, because if we talk about beauty, so when we have an idea of products and knowledge, then we can do our makeup and everything. So knowledge is very important in our life.
Okay. Is there anyone who wants to have counter question with Khushi? No one is there. All right. Okay. Miss Karishma, your name is Karishma, right?
Yes, sir.
You have to share some of the points on social media.
Yes, sir. Social media is very important in our life. If you are preparing anything, so you don't have knowledge, so you can search on the YouTube and you absorb that. And I give one example. I want to become air hostess, but I don't have knowledge how to become air hostess. So I'm searching on the YouTube, and I'm all absorb knowledge. Thank you, sir.
You have counter question for her? Yes, you can take this.
Like she said that, education, knowledge is important. But yeah, what happened when you are unable to show your knowledge, and you are like you're saying that you have the knowledge, but you don't have the way of expressing your knowledge. Your behavior is just come on your that beauty only. That is also your beauty, but that you're not aware to excel your knowledge. That I think it is useless.
Okay, ma'am. I really appreciate you the way you asked me. But, ma'am, I believe that knowledge is not having a good beauty. Knowledge is having an inner beauty. I believe that knowledge is like a inner beauty, not your physical beauty. I believe that.
I also say that I was talking about the inner beauty, not that knowledge. I was not talking about the way of looking. I was talking about the way of expressing.
Yes, ma'am. So I totally agree with you. Na? I said that I agree. I believe that in a knowledge. I don't believe in a beauty. I said that.
Okay, right. Is there anyone who wants to have counter question with Khushi? No one is there. Thank you, everyone. You can leave for the day, but you need to develop your communication skill. By the way, we have HR round, so yeah, you can leave for the day. Thank you, everyone.
Welcome to this YouTube channel, or welcome back to this YouTube channel. Here we have conducted a panel mock interview of air hostess. Do you want to become air hostess? Do you want to become cabin crew? Don't worry. Call on this number, contact, and just try to have inquiry about becoming air hostess. I'm not air hostess, I'm not a cabin crew, but I'm guiding people to become air hostess. You can see on this panel, because of our interview, people are getting selected, and people have got selected. And that is why CAF is helping people to become air hostess. I used to take quite individual interview, PI, personal interview, but today I just thought for this panel mock interview. Dear viewers, keep on watching this video till the end. During GD round, when Master was having GD round, I was noticing they were making mistakes. There were kind of grammar mistakes. Don't worry, it is considerable, but do not make a lot of mistakes. There were many beginners, they are learning English. We first of all, in our auditorium, when a person takes admission for air hostess, first we focus on English language, we focus on communication, and then we go for grooming, and then we go for mock interviews and all. But today we have conducted this interview. There are few beginners as well. They will be making mistakes, but no problem. Come on. Mistakes are proof that we are trying. I can make mistakes, people can make mistakes, and people are making mistakes. I am making mistakes. It's okay. Come on. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. So do try. Keep it up. Let's start panel mock interview of the day. Music. Yes, everybody! Please come
May I
inside.
come
Yes, please come.
Sir, may I come?
Please.
Sir,
Please.
may I come in, sir?
Please.
Sir, may I come in?
Please.
Sir, may I come in?
Please keep coming. This is, please keep coming. Keep coming. Please have a seat. Yes, you can sit down. You can take your seat, please. Please. Please take your seat. All right. All right, dear girls. How are you? Are you really fine? Yes. Do you want to be selected or rejected? Selected. See, CAF is very khadus and CAF is very humble as well. If you do not answer well, CAF can become khadus. And if you answer nicely, politely, amazingly, and tantalizingly, I will be like, wow. So you want to answer nicely or rudely? Nicely. Really? Yes, sir. Do you want to be selected? Yes, sir. Good. So I just welcome you all in this interview. of course, it is panel mock interview, and of course, it is gonna be rocking, and it will let you get selected in future as well. So first, I will be taking your interviews, and I will be having some conditional questions by your introduction only. All right? Yes, sir. You ready? Yes, sir. Master, can you please help me out? Yes. Please come here. Something is putting there. Yes. Can you please give me that? Arpita Rajput, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. As you can see my resume, my name is Arpita, and I'm from Lucknow. I'm 22 years old, and I have completed my 10 plus 2 and intermediate also, and also I've completed my graduation. Now I'm pursuing for becoming an air hostess from Welltalk Institute.
That's good. Okay, so Miss Arpita,
yes,
you are from Lucknow only?
Yes, sir.
That's good. I will be asking question after some time. May I know who is Shivani Avasthi? Yes, sir. Shivani Avasthi, please introduce yourself, whatever you want to say about yourself. Please
Good
go
afternoon,
ahead.
sir.
Good afternoon.
My name is Shivani Avasthi. I'm from Lucknow. It is also known as City of Nawab. I'm pursuing my graduation from Maharishi University, and I have completed my intermediate and matric from IT College.
Okay.
I have pursuing my 11-month course certificate from Institute Air Hostess Training.
Oh, you have done diploma as well?
Yes, sir.
Great, okay.
I have got certificates and award in classical dance, and also have got certificate Institute. I am very punctual and good listener. And my hobby is dancing and crafting. This is all about me. Thank you, sir.
That's very nice, Shivani.
Thank
so
you,
you are
sir.
from City of Nawab?
Yes, sir.
How many times did you eat kebab? Tell me.
Sir, I'm not eat kebab.
I'm not eat kebab. What is the meaning of this sentence, guys?
I'm not eating kebab.
I'm not eating. Where is kebab? I'm not eating. I didn't eat.
I didn't eat.
And I
sir.
never eat. I'm talking about veg kebab, you know.
No, sir.
You have never eaten?
No, sorry,
No
sir.
problem. We will provide you after some time veg kebab. All right. Who is Diya? Diya Saxena.
Yes, sir.
You are a fresher. You are a
Yes, sir.
fresher.
Yes, sir.
Please, music. Introduce yourself.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Diya Saxena. I am
Okay.
from Farrukhabad, Uttar
Okay.
Pradesh. I am 18 years old, and I passed my 10th and 12th from UP board, and I am pursuing BSc from Farrukhabad itself. And in my hobbies, I like to doing dance and cooking. And in my family members, there are 10 family members, and I have also certificate from Welltalk Institute. That's it.
What happened? Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Continue.
Okay. By starting?
Anything else? No.
No, sir.
Not from starting. Anything else about you?
Yes, sir. I have certificate from Welltalk Institute because I am doing practice there for aviation classes.
That's
it.
good. So your name is Diya Saxena, right?
Yes, sir.
That's good. You're from Farrukhabad.
Yes, sir.
What is famous in Farrukhabad?
Sir, namkeen.
Namkeen?
Yes, sir.
And potato?
Yes, of course.
Really? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
I'm
You are
psychologist. By the way. Swarnima Mishra.
Yes.
Where is this? Okay, fine. Yes, Swarnima. Please.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, you all. Sir, my name is Swarnima Mishra.
Be happy, Pausa. Yes, be happy. You are looking like, very sad.
No, sir. Sir, my name is Swarnima Mishra, and I'm 25 years old. I live in Lucknow. It's where also I complete my graduation. And I completed my graduation. And I live with my family. And since I was little, I wanted to become a cabin crew. But my father, at that time, my father wanted to see me as a doctor. But because of some financial condition, I'm not able to pursue that time. So now I decided to become a cabin crew, and now my father fully supporting me. And if I talk about myself, so I am a self-motivated person, and I am always calm in a working pressure. So it's all about me.
That's good. Swarnima, what is the meaning of Swarnima?
So Swarnima meaning is a gold.
Gold.
Shine of gold.
Oh my goodness, are you gold or bold?
No, sir, I am gold.
You're not
I
bold?
want to shine in future like a gold.
Okay, you are a gold, right?
Yes, I
but
am.
not bold.
No, sir. No, sir, I'm just confused, sir.
You don't know the meaning of bold?
No, sir.
Brave.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. I'm
So are you
bold
bold?
and bold both.
You must be bold and gold as well.
Yes, yes,
All right,
yes.
but don't hold yourself.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, Neha, who is this Neha? Come on. All right, Neha, please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for having me this wonderful opportunity to express myself.
Okay.
My name is Neha Yadav. I'm
Okay.
from Gorakhpur, but currently living in Lucknow. And I'm pursuing my graduation Bachelor of Degree from Lucknow University, and also pursuing my aviation courses from Welltok Institute. And if I talk about my strength, I'm highly motivated, optimistic, and hardworking girl. And my hobbies are reading books, dancing, and painting. Yes.
Good. Your name is Neha, right?
Yes, sir.
Where are you from?
Sir, I'm from Gorakhpur.
What is the meaning of Neha?
Sir, Neha means love and smile.
Do you love yourself?
Yes, sir.
How
obviously.
much?
I love myself. I believe
How
that.
much? How much kg? How many kg? 2 kg, 3
Sir,
kg?
it is uncountable.
Uncountable.
Of love for myself.
There's
yes.
no quantity for that.
No, sir.
You can't measure that.
No, sir.
Oh my goodness. You can tell this much, or this much.
I would say this.
This much, all right. Anamika Pal. Yes, all right, where are you? Yes, Anamika Pal.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
and
afternoon.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Anamika Pal. I am from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Moving to my education, currently I am pursuing second year of my graduation from Bachelor of Arts. With that also, I have also completed my aviation course from Institute, and I have also completed a computer coaching course Academy. Talking about my family, so I belong to a nuclear family consisting of 4 members in it. To add skills, I am self-motivated and good communication skills, time management and adaptability. And my hobbies are dancing, sketching, photography and traveling. Thank you. That's all about me.
Very nice, very nice. Your name is Anamika Pal, right?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Where are you from?
I'm from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, fine. Everybody is from Lucknow only.
Yes, sir.
You are also from Lucknow? No. Okay, fine. No problem. Yes. Miss Achal Singh.
Yes, sir.
Who is this? Please introduce yourself.
So, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Achal Singh. I am 23 years old. I am from Azamgarh, where I have done my schooling.
Okay.
And I have completed my bachelor's in science from Purvanchal University. And currently I am pursuing DevOps course. That's
The
all
divorce
about-
course?
DevOps course.
I thought divorce course. Which course is this? Okay, no problem. May God bless you, man. Oh my goodness. Okay, fine. So Achal, are you okay?
Yes,
Good.
I'm okay.
All right, Khushi Kumari. Please introduce yourself.
Okay, thank you, sir. First, I would like to thank you, sir, for having me this chance to introduce myself in front of us. So, this is me Khushi, and I'm from Balia. If I talk about my qualification, so I have passed my 10th plus 12th from Lalita Devi Inter College in my village. And secondly, I have done my GNM diploma from my Balia district. If I talk about my strengths, so I am a very hard worker girl, and I believe on myself, and I don't want to take help from anyone, not even my parents, and I want to be a independent girl.
Okay.
And if I talk about my hobbies, so I love to do planting tree, and I love to read book. And when I having a free time, I prefer to read book. And nowadays I'm reading The Silent Patient. It is a very interesting book.
Beautiful.
And if I talk about my family background, so there are 7 members in my family. My father, he is a private employee, and my mother is Shiksha Mitra teacher. She is the primary teacher. If I talk about my grandfather and grandmother, both are a farmer. They love to do farming, and I have three siblings, including me. I have two brothers. Both are younger to me, and if I.
All right. Okay.
That's
Thank
all
you very
from me.
much.
Yes, sir.
All right. That's fine. Okay. Who is Shalu? Yes. Could you please introduce yourself so that I could know about you?
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
First of all, thanks for the to this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Salu. I'm basically from Bihar, Chhapra, Bihar. But I recently staying in Lucknow to try English speaking course, spoken course, and let me. If I told about myself,
If I tell about myself,
if I tell about myself, I am hard worker and self motivated, and I believe on myself, and I am recently 12th pass, and my hobby is listening song and read Bhagavad Gita and worship, and that's
Great.
all about myself.
very nice. Shalu, you read Bhagavad Gita, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. What is the meaning of Vasudev Kutumbakam?
So I recently start the read Bhagavad Gita. So
How cute it is, right? Yes, Miss Karishma. Where is Karishma? Could you please introduce yourself?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for having me wonderful opportunity to express my view. My name is Karisma. I am from Sonbad, Uttar Pradesh. I am 22 years old. I am completed my 12th Sonbad Saraswati Vidya Mandir School. And my hobby, reading book different types and listening music. Thank you so much.
Beautiful. Who is Miss Pinky? Could you please introduce yourself?
Good afternoon, sir. I feel very happy to introduce myself. My name is Pinky, and I'm from Bihar. And coming to my educations, I have completed my 10+2, and now I'm pursuing graduations and
Graduations.
sorry, graduation. And talking about my hobbies, apply henna and new learn thing. That's it.
All right, fine. Who is Miss Surbi? Please, can you tell a bit about yourself?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I feel very honored to be here today. And my name is Surbhi Maurya. I'm 19 years old. I live in Maharashtra and have a family of 4. I have finalized my 10th and 12th from Nasik Board, Maharashtra. If I talk about my interests, I love to travel and exploring new cultures. Thank you.
Beautiful. You have finalized, right?
Yeah.
Means whatever happened, you just finalize it. You did not complete it, but finalized it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Everybody has introduced, right?
Yes.
Good. I have a question for all of you. And by this question, if you answer me nicely, I'm going to select you right now. Okay? Could I ask you?
Yes, sir.
Do you love yourself?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the static answer. Why do you love yourself? Who will tell? Why do you love yourself? Yes, Miss Anamika Pal, could you please tell that why you love yourself?
As per my opinion, I love myself because in my life I have seen so many opportunities and so many rejections also, because as I am preparing for cabin crew and I have almost given...
You are looking here and there. Excuse me, uncle is there or what? What about this handsome guy? Excuse me, look at me. Of course, yes.
I had already given almost 12 to 13 interviews of cabin crew, but not selected yet. But still, I am trying my best.
And still you love yourself, right?
Sir, let me come.
Oh, I'm sorry, yes.
But still, I am trying. And everyone who are around me tells me that drop this course and try to do another things. So I just listen to them, but I do not agree with them because I think my hard work and my patience is the key of my motivation, and I believe that I will do one day. And prove them that I love myself, and by believing on myself, I can say to everyone that I have done and I made it.
Beautiful. See, the answer is quite impressive for me. If anyone could answer or can answer better than her, I will select. Is there anybody? I'm quite impressed by her. Please go ahead.
Sir, I love myself because I believe myself. Unless I'll not believe myself that yes, I have 2 inch less height, but my belief is that yeah, I'll do one day. And this belief is my love. That some people are saying that you don't get success in this aviation, you must try something else. But I believe my job, my aviation, my ambitions, and my belief, that is my love towards myself. That motivates me that not to get back from my dream job, unless I'll keep making hard work and hard work till the success I achieve.
As you told before some time that you are not eligible by the height.
Yes, sir.
Right? There is a deficiency of 2 inches.
Yeah, sure.
2 inches or 2 centimeters?
2 centimeters.
So how will you be able to become air hostess?
Sir, I'm trying to like stretching.
How can you try?
Sir,
How old are you? Excuse me, Neha Yadav.
Sir, I'm 19.
You are 25 years old?
No, sir,
No,
I'm
sorry,
19 years.
2025.
19 years old.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what do you think? Is there any possibility?
Yes, sir, of course, possibilities are there. Sir, I'll be having a good communication skill and my hard work, the way of speaking, that will take me to the height of success.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You are quite determined, right?
Yes, sir. Because my determination will take me to the selection.
Hey, Anamika. I'm quite impressed by her answer. Guys, these 2 girls have impressed me today. Come on. Anybody else?
Sir, I love myself because there are many people they said to me why you want to become air hostess and why you want to join aviation. According to sir, they are saying you go in plane and you serve food for them. You are like servant for them. I never replied the peoples because there are many opportunities to air hostess. They saved many peoples and there are many passengers. They are just shivering because they are fly first time. They are that things they motivate me and encourage me to become air hostess. That's why
I was not asking about your target.
No, sir.
I was asking that why you love.
So because there are many people
They are demotivating you.
Yes,
but
sir.
still you are motivated.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. Anybody else? Yes. Swarnima.
Sir, I love myself because I have completed so many things in studies. Like I completed my diploma and I completed my graduation and I completed my internship also. But my father not supported me at that time. And since I was little and in my childhood I decided to become a cabin crew, but for my father I left my dream. Now I decided that in the long distance of my education I've never left my childhood dream. So now I decided to continue my childhood dream this time.
That's good.
That's why I love myself.
The next question I would like to ask, but I would say that I would select Miss Anamika Pal. The way she answered it was really fantastic. But let's go for further question. Yes, you want to say the same thing?
Sir, I love myself because I can handle myself for any situation. That's it.
Everybody can handle themselves.
Yeah, for any situation.
No, I'm coming to you, Ms. Kosi. You can handle yourself at any time.
Yeah, any situation.
Okay, if you are riding Activa, nowadays girls are very famous as well, right, by riding Activa. Can you handle yourself by riding Activa?
Yeah.
How do you brake? Excuse me, thoda sa. This is a bit, you know. Huh?
With using
The very famous line people talk on social media that girls stop, you know, by their feet.
yes.
Right, exactly. I'm sorry to talk about it. I'm not doing discrimination here. But can you handle yourself at the time of riding bike?
Yeah.
I was just kidding only, no problem. Yes. Can I have another question, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. I should not stay on only one question. Tell me that what is the best grooming that you think? Grooming. Excuse me. The best grooming that you think. Yeah.
Sir, I think inner beauty is good.
Inner beauty.
Yes, because if you have a good inner beauty, you can and you know how to present your things front of
Means we can
peoples.
wear, you know,
No,
torn
sir, this is
dresses
good.
and
This
all,
is
but
also
we
good.
have inner grooming.
No, sir, this is good. If you have a good inner beauty, you can maintain yourself with a good grooming also.
Switch. Other people, please. Yes.
Sir, inner beauty is beautiful for, sir, except your dressing sense.
Switch.
Grooming is a presentation of art. How we present yourself.
How we present yourself? Why will I present?
Ourself. How we look good. Grooming is a.
Switch.
I think inner beauty is must you should have, because if you look at you, and how can I judge you? When I speak to you, then only I will be able to know about you. How kind of like maybe you are rude, maybe you are
Switch.
angry.
Beauty is a way of kindness, politeness, your manner, your etiquette, how good you are, how fluent are you in your words. Like you don't have you have a good grooming, but your efforts are not coming out. You have a very in positive. You don't have a negative words towards people. You are manipulating.
Switch.
Thank you. As per my opinion, there are two types of beauty, and in grooming, these are includes. First one is internal grooming, and second one is external grooming. Internal grooming includes your behavior, your manners, and your etiquettes. External grooming includes your attire, your grooming, and your well-mannered. So, for internal grooming, we have to behave everyone politely, and we have to show courage to everyone. And for external beauty or grooming, we have to maintain ourselves, we have to maintain a proper attire if we are in any professional or
Very nice, very nice. Let me ask individual question now. Can I just talk to Miss Arpita here? Miss Arpita. Arpita Rajput, you're from Lucknow. You have done high school, intermediate, graduation from City, Jain Narayan Mishra, KKC College. Problem solving, punctual, multitasking, leadership. What is your weakness?
So my weakness is that sometimes I focus too much on the detail of my works and my projects, so that affects my health. So but soon I am working on that, and one day I will work.
How do you fit yourself for better grooming, for better health? What do you do?
So sorry sir, I couldn't understand.
How do you fit yourself, like for better grooming, for health? How do you?
So both are very important. As for being a cabin crew, you have to be fit, and as well as you have to be groomed also. The thing is that if you be a good groomed, at that time you will like when you face the interview, you will look when you will go with the proper attire, and you will give your proper answer, you will got selected. But if I talk about fit, if you will not if you are not.
No, my question is that how do you fit yourself? Like, do you do anything to fit yourself?
Sir, I do yoga exercises daily for fit my body.
Good. Miss Pinky. Pinky, can you tell that why did you decide to become air hostess?
Sir, because nowadays, because sir, I think I believe that कि I have all the quality as a cabin crew should have, and I have as well as I have also have interpersonal skills, and I love to talk to people, and I'm confident in my ability to provide excellent customer service.
Okay, Pinky, very nice. Who is Shalu here? Yeah, Shalu. So, Shalu, you're from Bihar, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Do you face any kind of circumstances? Like, what about your area? Do the people appreciate becoming air hostess, or you faced kind of any difficulties?
Yes, sir, because I belong to a village, a small village, and everybody know about this career, and I will try to knew something in my area.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
That's fine. Swarnima. Yes. Swarnima, tell me the best thing that you did in your life. Any best achievement of your life that you did?
Sir,
You can use microphone, please. Yes.
Sir, when I was in my college, in my university, I got a medal by Draupadi Murmu ma'am. So that's a great achievement to me.
So what did you do there?
So I gave a performance.
Of what?
Classical performance.
Oh, do you know how to dance?
Yes, sir. I know. I love dancing.
Can you dance right now?
Yes, sir. If you
All
can.
right. No. Very nice. Yes, Miss Dia.
Yes, sir.
When did you cry last time and why?
Sir, I cry in my class.
cried?
I cried in my class because I cannot able to speak because
I could not speak.
that time I cried last time.
How many days did you cry continuously?
No, sir. I was like 1 minute.
1 minute?
Yes.
Girls are expert in that. Right? Have you ever seen girls crying? You know, like when somebody passes away.
Yes, sir.
Right? Girls cry only 1 minute.
No, sir.
Good Allah, Mare Mori Maiya. Right? And exactly. It happens. And girls are very expert in that. They have crocodile tears, right?
No, sir.
So did you really cry from the heart?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Survi.
Shivani.
Oh, sorry, Shivani, Silbo is there. Shivani, please tell me that you have done diploma, right? Can you tell me what is nose cones?
Yes, sir.
What is nose cones?
Sorry, sir. I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes, sir.
Nose cones. You have done diploma actually, right? That's why I'm asking the question. Anybody knows evacuation? Evacuation? Yes, Surbi, you can tell.
There is a situation when turbulence happen in the aircraft, means maybe there will be effect of weather, so turbulence happens, so we have to evacuate passengers in 90 seconds. Evacuate means getting out the passenger from the aircraft.
Very nice. Very nice. Your name is Surbi, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So Surbi, what do you mean by, what do you understand by lavatory? What is a lavatory?
Lavatory means a washroom in aircraft.
Good.
Yes.
And what is pantry?
Pantry means pantry means a kitchen which is used for travel purpose.
Beautiful. And can you tell me what you understand by stowaway?
Stowaway. Stowaway means when you don't have any passport, any visa, and you are going to other country.
Oh, very nice. Good. Yes, Miss Khushi.
Yes, sir.
Just imagine that a girl is pregnant, a woman I would say, and she is in the flight, right? And there is a time of delivery maybe. In this situation, what will you do and how will you console that patient?
Okay, sir. First, we will check the vital sign so that I can just I can identify her situation. And first of all, I will try to give first aid so I can just relax her according to situation. And as per my perspective, I will try my end to save her and her baby.
Her baby.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's fine. Have you ever seen any kind of operation or delivery of women or not?
No, sir. I
You did
didn't.
not see.
No,
So don't you fear with blood? Don't you fear with the pain and all? There can be situation that you can be afraid
Sir,
of.
I saw that when I went in a hospital, I saw these kind of situation, but I didn't
not
feel.
fear,
I
okay.
used to feel this kind of thing, but when I have completed my diploma, and when I used to go in a hospital, I saw that this kind of situation. It was every day. It was going on. So I was very familiar with it. So
Fine,
I
very
couldn't
nice.
feel.
Miss Kusi, nowadays, normal delivery is not normal. Earlier it used to be.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me that what can be the reason, like doctors are earning money? When they do operation, they will increase amount of money. So what do you think?
Sir,
it is fault
I
of
think, sir, people are making the a pretend, like they said that doctor are earning money by they just prefer to go in a operation theater. They don't want to go in a normal delivery. So as
so
my
it's a fault of people, or it's a problem of people, or it's
it
a
is
problem
not a
of
fault of people, and it is not a fault of just a doctor. It is a fault of whatever we are doing, we don't focus on a nature. We are just eating the unhygienic food, and we don't focus on our health. So it is not a fault of doctor, it is not a fault of a patient and family member. We have to just in a pregnant process, we have to just focus on a good health.
Exactly.
And we have to eat a very healthy food. We don't go in a street food, so it will be cause. So
I think
because
some
of that
activities
reason,
are also important.
yes, sir. Because of that reason, doctor also they are unable to make a normal delivery. So it is not fault of.
Okay, fine. I understood that. Fine. Neha, do you have any work experience or not?
Yes, sir. I have 1 year of teaching experience in my kids' school.
So you should become teacher. Why did you think about a hostess?
Sir, as I said that I have the ability of calmness and handling the people, and I believe that if I'm able to handle that small kids, because it is very difficult. It is easy to teach big childrens, but it is more and more difficult to teach a small baby, because you have to treat like a mother. You have to become like just a 2 years, 3 years babies. You can imagine how small that baby is, and you have to become his second mother.
Exactly.
So if you can handle that baby, surely I believe that I can handle the passengers on the board.
Good. So Neha, you taught 1 year, right?
Yes, sir.
So why did you start teaching? What was your purpose of teaching?
I love teaching also, and that's
fine. Okay, fine. So Neha, why should I hire
Sir, I
you?
love interacting with people, and there.
Let me complete my
Yes,
question. Why should I hire you? Like there are so many trainees and
Sir,
aspirants.
because I have deep passion in my aviation course, and it is my childhood dream, and because I mentioned in my CV that I'm highly motivated and optimistic girl with good and excellent communication skill and customer service.
That's fine. Okay, fine. Is there anybody who has experience of ground staff, of air hostess? Is there anybody who's experienced one? No. Everybody is fresher? Yes. Okay, fine. What is your strength, Miss Anamika? Strength.
So my strength is my ability and my communication skill and my adaptability and my positive attitude. So my strengths make a good environment in a surrounding, and as I always seen my friend Neha, she is so demotivated at the time when we meet. But I convinced her and I told her that you should not be demotivated, and I always try to motivate her in any situation and in any condition, so that she can get a motivation to get her dream job earlier. Thank you, that's all.
Okay, fine. You have mentioned skills and strength, right? The difference between skills and strength.
Sir, skills means that we have pursue, and strength that what made us strong and confident.
Good. Okay, fine. You have mentioned empathy and understanding. Could you please tell me the difference between sympathy and empathy?
Sir,
Sympathy and if I say I'm sympathetic and if I say I'm empathetic, so what is the difference between these two words?
Sir, sympathy means to give someone's like a hope to be relaxed and calm in any situation. If suppose if someone is frustrated or in any problem, so we have to give them a sympathy that they don't have to worry, everything will be fine.
Okay.
And I apologize because I don't know the don't know the meaning of empathy.
That's beautiful. Okay, fine. Well, can I just have words with Karishma here? Karishma. So, Karishma, can you please tell me that what is your last qualification and from where did you complete your last qualification? Miss Karishma.
Sir, my last qualification only 12th pass.
Okay. And
Yes.
from where did you complete that?
Sir, Sonbhadra.
Sonbhadra.
Yes, sir.
Where is Sonbhadra?
Sir, Sonbhadra nearby Singrauli.
Sindhauli. Okay. That's good. So why did you decide to become air hostess?
Sir, I did decided because it is my childhood dream, and I have also financial problem. So one time I scrolled movie, so I saw that time reels. So then I decided I want to become air hostess.
Okay, okay, fine. That's good. Is there anybody who can tell the exact importance of building communication skill? What is the importance of communication? And when we talk about communication, is it important to learn English language? Who would like to tell? Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, fine. Yes, Arpita, you start first.
So having a good communication or having that skill means in this world there are so many languages, but there are so many people they can understand with the help of English language. The English language is a language where people can understand you very well.
So to build a communication, is it important to learn English language?
Sir, for me it is. Because if you have a good command of for speaking English or understanding people, so you have to learn. Or you have a good command in communication
So do you
skills.
think you have good command over communication?
Sir, according to me, I have.
That's fine. Is there any problem that you faced in your past?
Sir, in which situation?
Any situation that you faced that was quite difficult for you to tackle?
Sir, right now I'm just facing only one problem and I'm tackling on that. Only one weight. That's
Okay,
all.
on weight.
Rather
Fine.
than I'm fine.
That's good. Yes. Is there anybody else who wants to say about communication? Yes. Come on. Swarnima, go ahead, please.
Sir, according to me, communication is important because communication, by a communication, we can connect people's or we can understand what people want to say and we can easily. And if I talk about the why we learn English, so I think English is mostly if we go other city we can don't know the Russian, we can don't know the Chinese, but if we know the English, so we can easily connect with them because English is I think a worldwide language, so we can use it anywhere.
Swarnima, why did you decide for Indigo only? Why not other airlines?
Sir, I decided for Indigo because I like the uniform of Indigo. And one day I saw a reel where I see they treated their cabin crews very well. So I impressed that time.
Goodness.
So I decided
So
to
you are
go with
impressed
them.
by uniform, right?
Yes, sir. I
So,
want
do you know about
also wear-
Aminabad?
Yes, sir.
Do you know Aminabad?
Yes, sir. I know Aminabad.
So you can purchase and wear.
No, sir.
Of course.
That post also what they give and
Okay.
they respect.
So you
what
can
they
get
give.
post in other airlines as well.
No, sir. I
But why
guess-
Indigo?
Sir, I like to go that where because.
Tell me
my-
what do you know about Indigo? Anything.
Sorry, sir.
Do you know about Rakesh Bhatia?
Yes, I see you.
You see me?
CEO.
CEO.
Yes.
Really?
Yes, sir.
What about Gangawal?
I don't know, sir.
He's a founder. That's fine. Yes. Any other person, please? Why Indigo? The question is why only Indigo? Yes.
Sir, Indigo provides. It is a very brand ambassador, and it provides a very it requires very calm, good.
Switch. Other person. Yes.
So as we all know that Indigo is a domestic airline and one of the lowest cost airline. And Indigo is probably known as for its OTP, which is on-time performance. And I am motivated and I like the work with a perfection. And Indigo has the capability to do everything within a time, which is on-time performance. That's why I want to be a part of Indigo Airlines.
Fine. Okay, the next question I would like to ask to each and everybody. When we talk about air hostess, people think that a girl must be quite good looking, she must be beautiful. So how do you see beauty? How do you see beauty actually, right? And do you think that you are beautiful enough? You deserve to become, or you are eligible to become? Yes. What will you say? Yes, everybody, come on. Yes. Anybody?
Sir, here beauty doesn't mean while makeup or good attire. That is the way of presenting. But the way of your greeting the people, the way of your talking the people, like if you are speaking good, every people will love to speak you, and
That's fine. Miss Kusi, is there any mistake of yours that has taught you anything special? Any mistake that has taught you?
No, sir.
No, any mistake?
No, sir.
Okay, any lesson that you want to convey and tell us?
Relation, it means, sir?
Any lesson of your life? Any learnable moment?
Yes, sir. When I took admission in Abalia, so I used to teach home tuition. So that time, sir, when I just completed my class and when I went for teaching them for a student in a home tuition, when I went when I sit on the chair, so sometimes, sir, I feel very exhausted. Like I didn't want to teach, but sir, it was sometimes like someone is saying to me, if you are unable to teach them, so what will happen in your future? Because you are taking a money from them and you are feeling exhausted while teaching them. So you are not making them a good future. You are just make them destroy. So you should be. So that time, sir, I learned that whatever you are doing in your life, you have to do honestly. If you are unable to do, so just leave it.
Okay, fine.
So
Should be.
Yes.
Is there weakness? Is there any weakness of yours that you think?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
I'm stubborn, sir.
Oh, you're
Yeah.
stubborn.
Yes, whatever I think and I have to do, I do that. And
you
I
do?
never think about people, what the other people think about it. Even in my home, like, my parents are not allowing me before, but now they allow and I convince them. But because I thought that whatever I want to do, I do that. And I will not think about people.
Okay, okay. Surbi, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are traveling and exploring new cultures.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you ever traveled any other country?
No, sir, not yet.
Never.
Yes.
What do you think? Does your hobby help you in your personal development?
Yes, sir, why not? Just like I said, I love to explore new cultures. So I can interact with new people and I can interact with them and I can know about them. I can learn by their experience. And a lot of things are there, each and everything, even in our India, everything, even the attire, language, everything has some reason, some, quality. So we can able to know about that things.
That's beautiful. Do you have boyfriend or not?
No, sir.
Why so?
Because, sir, I think boyfriend is less like a distraction for me, and yeah, I will think about future. I will think in future to have.
I mean, like in this
Not now.
sophisticated life,
Yes, sir.
people are, I mean, in relationship, and
Yes,
they
sir.
take it motivation as well.
Yes, sir.
Like we can take motivation from Shah Rukh Khan as well, and so many people are here, right?
Yes.
So why don't you take motivation from this?
Sir, especially I believe like what I need. So now I don't think for that.
Okay, fine. You believe in love marriage or arranged marriage?
Love marriage.
Love marriage.
Yes.
That's fine. As you know that Indigo empowers women.
Yes, sir.
So do you like it?
Yes, sir. Why not? Lot of girls are not having job, but they are just hiring 10+2 means after completing your 12th they are hiring. So nothing is, and they are paying a lot. Even if after completing 12th, what you will get 10,000, 15,000 almost. But they are providing like it is uncountable. I can say. Yeah.
Oh my
For
goodness.
12th.
So you want to become air hostess because you want to earn uncountable.
No, sir, it's not. As I said, I love to interact with people in professional
So
and
you can
personal
interact
level.
at railway station as well.
No,
Go
sir.
and stand up there. You can talk to people, of course, right?
Yes, sir, I can, but as Indian, I know very well, but I love to go for a different country and exploring their new cultures.
You can book tickets and go there. Of
But-
course. You can go to Goa as well in India itself. You can go there, you can talk to people.
I like to, when we work as a cabin crew, we have different situation. Everyone is different. You can interact with different kind of personalities. So you can learn from that. Yes.
That's fine. All right. Okay, everyone. It was really nice to talk to you. I have come to know about you, how you are, and I would say that it's fine, it's good. Keep it up and keep on working hard to make yourself quite a good speaker and make your dream come true, right? But I am so impressed by 3 people today, and that is Miss here Neha, Miss Anamika, and Miss Surbi as of now, right? Other people also spoke well, but their answers, and they were quite enthusiastic to talk to me, so that is why it was quite impressive. Thank you very much. You can leave for the day. All right? And everybody, you're watching this video, do like this video and share with your people as well, right? Do you want to become your hostess? Yes. Best of luck. Excuse me, I know you want to become your hostess. I'm talking to my YouTube family, right? Come on, be your hostess. If you're not able to become, don't worry. Kaf, your brother is here. Contact on this number, right? I'm not a cabin crew, but I try my best to make people be, actually. I cannot say that 100% I can make people air hostess. If you have determination, बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं वापस चले जाते हैं, नहीं बन पाते हैं क्योंकि डिटर्मिनेशन नहीं होता है. अगर आप मेरे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं, एक डिटर्मिनेशन के साथ जुड़ रहे हैं, तो बिल्कुल आप भी इस स्क्रीन पे आ सकते हैं एंड ऑफ कोर्स अपना सपना पूरा कर सकते हैं, राइट? तो मेहनत करो यार ईमानदारी से, और जो भी बनना है जीवन में बनने की कोशिश करें. राइट, आप लोग गाइस इधर से जाएगा और एक एक करके अपना फीडबैक लेते जाइएगा और उसके बाद आप जा सकते हैं, राइट? थैंक यू वेरी मच.